Morning everyone, and as you can hear, it's a rough day. It's very blowy. Yep, forecast gale force winds, which means pretty limited where I can go, so I'm probably going to have to try around the area I was in yesterday. It's a pretty appalling forecast. It's gale force winds most of the day, gusting gale force, and then the rain arrives about 1 o'clock. So it's 8 o'clock now. I should get four hours in before it arrives. So yeah, let's give it a go. That's all I can do. Right, so totally new area this. So let's give it a go. It's very windy today. I haven't got the mics, so there will be a bit of wind in the background. But yeah, completely different place. Never fished it before. All I can do is give it a go. It's quite clean ground. Looking at the charts, I think target species cod, place, the usual. Just give it a go. It's high water now. I'm going to fish it down and see how we get on. Just casted one out. I'm literally just using 3-hook flapper. I'll get the other one out. Probably a wishbone, black lug. Yeah, see how we go. So I've had a couple of knocks already on the first rod I put out. That could be a dab. Very flat fish like that bite. Definitely promising. Quite a nice little venue this. It's sheltered by the mountains. It's pretty rough out there today, so to get this sort of shelter is great. Deep, I'd say it's about 10-15 metres deep. And it's sandy bottom, so it's ideal for the flatfish. Let's have a quick look. Nope, nothing on there. Going to give it about 20 minutes, reel it in, have a look. There could be crabs out there. But yeah, just glad to get out of the wind. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it won't rain. Right, let's have a little look, see if the bait's been taken. Quite heavy. If there's a could be snaky out there, we don't know. another codling. Bit small, bottom one's not too bad, but that's not what we're after, that size. But yeah, it's fish about, that's the main thing. Right, let's get them unhooked. A stunning area. That over there's the pier that I fished yesterday. You've got the big mountain behind. That's really keeping the wind off us today. But yeah, once that sun comes up, it's lovely. You can see the snow on the mountains, it's on its way. Let's have a drink. This is a drink I haven't had for many a year, a Bovril. Cheers everyone. Oh, looks like the old rod's going as well. That's definitely a codling bite. Definitely a codling. Yeah, that's on there. Yeah, definitely a cod. You get the shake of the head. Comes the wind. I think it's quite as bad here as over on that pier where you've got the ledge. Seems cleaner the ground. Yeah. Gotta be a bit careful because I've only got small hooks. Try and get it up this last bit. Right, that's it. That's two. He's not bad. He's not a bad cod, that. He's a keeper. Yeah, lovely little cod. I'll put him back. Right. Let's slip him back. may well go back over to here over there and just target some place over low, but we'll see. There's definitely cod here, but there's a lot of small cod. Ones again. I think a move might be on the card soon. Right, that's it. Packing up now. We're going to move to the other pier. So, yep, let's get this in and let's get going. So we're back on this pier. It's just really windy. I set the tripod up, so the footage is going to be pretty limited. It's not too bad now, you just get gusts. The gusts are really strong. So we'll give this an hour and a half, 2 hours, see how we get on. But you never know. It's dropping now, the tide's dropping. Just see how we do. Right, if I have any fish, you will find out. Let's check the bait. Had a few knocks on this, so let's see. Wind is relentless. It's the smallest dab you'll see. Did give quite a nip though. Look at that. Tiny. Tiny little dab. Get him unhooked and get him back. Break in the weather. Quick update. Nothing much really. Just that one dab. Very quiet. Going to give it another hour. Yeah, difficult day. It's very, very gusty. Right now it's quite quiet. And it soon whips up, and then you're holding onto the tripod. Oh, there's a bite. Another bite going on there. That looks like a micro cod. Let's have a little look. Definitely a micro cod bite that. Bouncing away. Right, let's get it in. very small, I think, on this. Very small. Yep. Another micro cod. Just can't get away from it. Right, let's get him unhooked, get it back out. Tiny. That's brutal out there. Look at it. You can hear it. Oh, shaking the car. Well, I gave it a good go. Unfortunately, I didn't catch a lot there. I think it was a little dab, and that was about it. But yeah, gave it a go. It's horrid out there. Now is the perfect time, but you just can't fish it. So I'm going to get back, have a nice pizza and sort the gear out, and yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. It really does help. So yep, thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.